Today we're going to have a look at the Work at Home software site. The Work at Home software site is a really useful tool as it has a big abundance of downloadable software available to both staff and students, and it's easily accessible from any computer that has an internet connection, so it saves you having to go to the library, for instance, and borrow discs. It's very easy to navigate, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If we log on to the Plymouth portal using your usual username and password, and this will bring you to the main page with the staff or student announcements. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to My eDesk and go to Library, Media and IT. I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring up the ILS pages, and what we're going to go into is ILS Self-Help, which is a searchable database for various IT related queries to do with the University of Plymouth. So if we pop in a search term, Work at Home software, and click search, and then what we're looking for is software and services for working from home, and we'll find that here. So we'll click on this, and this will bring us to the related article, and what we're actually after is the Work at Home page, which can be found by clicking this link. Now, depending on whether you're a staff member or student member, you will see slightly different, and what software is available to you will depend whether you're a staff or student. What you'll be able to see here is all the different manufacturers of the software that's available, and today we're just going to use Minitab as an example. So if I wanted to download Minitab, I'm going to select it in the list, and then it's going to tell me what version of Minitab is available, Minitab 15, so that's the one we want. And this is going to load up the Minitab page. There's various installation instructions, and they're very useful, definitely worth referring to, but kind of the purpose of this video is just to show you how to do it. So we're going to proceed to download, and you're going to have to accept the terms and conditions of using this software. So once you're happy with that, pop a tick in the box and then click continue, and then select the download button. Your file is going to begin to download. You want to select save file and then click OK. Now that will bring up the download window. I'm just going to cancel this one because I've already downloaded it previous. So if you go to the destination wherever you've downloaded it, for my example I've saved it to the desktop, and this file here is what's called an ISO file, and this is where people tend to have a little bit of difficulty getting this file onto their actual PC, because an ISO file is a little bit like a zip file or a compressed file. It's a bunch of files compressed into one big file, and in its current form it isn't a lot of use to the computer. And what we want to do is we want to burn this to a disk. So we're going to use a program called Active@ISO, and you can find this by just googling Active@ISO, and the download link that you want is the one from download.cnet, which is the third one that comes up. It's the easiest place to download it from because it will take you pretty much straight to the page. You just click on download now, and it's just going to whir away, and then it's going to allow us to download the file. It's only a 4.5 meg file, so it downloads real quickly, even on quite a slow internet connection. And I've got a shortcut to this program here on my desktop. Now the beauty with this piece of software is that it's so simple to use. Once you've downloaded your Minitab or whatever particular program it is, literally all we need to do is click on this button here, which is just going to allow us to browse to wherever the file is, and there we go, we've got Minitab. We're going to select open. We're going to open our CD drawer or our DVD drive and pop in a writable either DVD or writable CD, depending on the size of the software. As this one's only 115 megs, a writable CD would be fine. For some of the larger programs over around 800 meg and higher, you're going to need a DVD. So pop that in your drive and just click burn, and you're done. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching.